Hello everybody, welcome back to MVTV. I'm your host, Big Nate Garner, and I'm joined here today with my good friend, Alex Shanky Poo Shank.
Hi there.
Today, we're gonna be celebrating the first anniversary of Cosmic Cooking with a beautiful birthday cake. So we need to heat the oven to 335.
335?
350. I said the wrong thing. Okay, now we need to grease and flour 2 9-inch round baking pans.
9 inches?
We can just make one big cake.
How are we gonna eat that much cake?
Hey, POV, I'm OJ Simpson. All right, now you gotta grease it, so you're gonna become a nice, beautiful grease baby. Wait, Shank. We didn't do the most important step. We didn't wash our hands.
I want to make sure all your hands are nice and clean.
Stir together sugar, flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a large bowl. Sugar, 2 cups. 1 3/4 cup all-purpose flour.
Dab it in there, yeah. Just, okay, yeah.
I have an idea. What else do we need to do? This. Oh. I'm a Sigma male. Cocoa powder, 3/4 cup. Man, that egg's making me feel some type of way. Baking powder, 1 1/2 tablespoons. All right, well,
Stay on the recipe.
1 1/2.
TSPS.
TSPS.
That's teaspoons.
Baking soda.
I just did the baking powder. Pour it over the bowl.
No, I got the perfect amount. Add eggs, milk, oil, and vanilla.
Okay, that makes sense.
Shank, would you be mad if I threw this at you? I missed.
Can you not do that? Okay.
Can we add a little bit of chalky milk to it?
Okay, well, we need to mix this.
You need to mix it together with that, you dog.
We need to mix this first and then mix it together. That's what I mean.
Yeah. That's a good point. Oh, beat on medium speed of mixer for 2 minutes.
Okay, so now
Yeah, now put it in.
Now, it seems like not enough liquid. This is not working.
Working hard or hardly working. Are we just doing one
I think
cake?
we're just doing one. Please, help me put it in. Okay, cake's done after however much time it took. Oh, it is working. What we did is we made little circles like you see here.
So now we're gonna decorate.
So now we gotta put icing and then we're gonna make a little mini cake. Layers.
Oh my god. This sucks. JMO, you do the sprinkles. This is like a how-to basic video.
Okay, happy 1 year Cosmic Cooking.
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually not that bad.
Pretty good.
We hope you guys enjoyed that just as much as we did.
If you would like to know more or get the exact recipe, check out our Instagram at the MVTV. And we would like to say, thank you, Evan Harris.